Are you on? Get in, bro. Okay, Bob. Let's get that tight, bro. Yep. Winchman. Oh boy. Another beautiful day out west, Sharpie up. Right. Where are our gloves?
I just threw them on top of the beanbag. Go down the proper leather ones if you want them.
Yeah, I want these. Better spread that line, eh? Don't let it all bunch up.
Yep, that's better there. Yeah, that's better there.
You gotta talk to him, bro. If it starts going slack, just tell him to go forward.
Yep.
Let's go. Nice. Yes. Fuck, is that a shark? Oh, that was good. Oh, here he is. Whee! Go! Nice.
Same area as that shark.
Yeah. That's what he's jumping away from.
I can start getting your line back, but you've got to wind like shit. Yeah.
Got the double fucking real sharp hooks in it. Oh, so it should be sweet, bro. Yeah. There he is.
Yep.
Still got a tail. So when you get it to the boat, man, just back the drag off, but don't go the whole way. Just pull that down to about here. Okay. I was just telling him not to fucking freeze ball it.
Don't shit the bed again.
That lure's gonna get hit. Fish.
No pressure, but we need this.
Yeah.
Here he comes.
Going down. Here he comes. Coming up for a show. Yee-hee! Yeah, forward. Nice. Yeah, boy.
Coming towards us.
No, he's swimming back. He's heading back. Yeah. You see it? Oh boy, dominate.
Come here.
Back corner. He's swinging. Yeah, keep going. Straight down, he's coming around the back of the boat.
Release.
Look at that.
Yes.
It's going towards you, bro.
Would you like me to release a bit?
No. Yeah, a little bit. If that man, tag shot. Yes, tag in.
More fish, boys. Back on the fish, we got that.
Woo! Yeah, hang on. That's right. He's still kicking. See.
Grab his foot.
Yeah. Got it? Right. Got him. Yeah, boys. Woohoo! Nice. Only a little fish. We got him. Right, now you get some photos of that tag and Damo. Calm down, mate. Woohoo! How's your brother? Hang on.
Alright, are you videoing?
Yeah, I think I'm recording, aren't I?
Yeah, you are.
Yeah.
Just record that. Are you going to grab? Yeah, if I can. Cool.
You going to get some gloves on, bro?
Yeah, where are they? Oh, you'll be right. You pass it over to him. He'll grab it and you sort the hook out colours.
Yeah, just be fucking careful, man. Those, it's super sharp, bro. You got them?
Yep, I got it.
Those hooks are fucking sharp.
Come around this side and you sort the hooks out. And let me know if you need pliers. Just bring them up.
Yeah, I might do, fat man. I need pliers though. I don't want to go anywhere near these fucking hooks. Oh, here we go. Got it. No, it's all good.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Video them as you. I'll put it in gear and get the water through. Yep, roger.
Woo! Hey, mate.
Yeah, boy. Fucking yes.
Might jump in and get him swimming away. I'll jump in and get him. Give him a swim like that for a bit, and then I'll go right out of gear and I'll swim next to him. Hey, Bob.
Tell me when you want me to take it out again, mate.
Yep. Is he happy, Damo? Yeah, boy. Fucking get going.
Yeah? That was your first crossing, bro.
Not even four-wheel drive yet.
Kinda neat, isn't it? Look at that. Watch out for the opposition, bro. Ah, that's not supposed to be like that.
Few bridges are fucking come float past.
Bridges are floating past.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Further up. Well.
We just came from Carfia.
What's that?
We just came from Carfia.
Oh, real?
Yeah.
Fuck.
Got to get back to Whangangi.
Oh.
The roads were shut.
Yeah.
And getting through there. It's really hard to kind of capture it properly, but yeah. That was the bridge. Bro. Just in such a short time. Look at the Armco. It's fucked. Yeah, another log going through.
Yeah, I don't think we'll be driving this anytime soon. We'll try and walk our way back. It's about a 2 hour. Jesus.